around mid-90s, 102, and mostly sunny this afternoon. We'll be right back with more Good Morning Arizona.
The Phoenix Traffic app, the traffic busting power of two.
Download the free Phoenix Traffic app now and keep your commute one step ahead of traffic. Only free TV and CBS 5.
Arizona Vein and Laser Institute is a leader in the treatment of venous disorders. As a vascular surgeon, Dr. Charlotte has over 25 years of experience treating vascular and venous diseases like spider veins, varicose veins, and more advanced cases of venous ulcers.
Please call us today. We are here to make you feel better and look great.
We offer 6 convenient locations in the valley to serve you, and a courtesy shuttle service too. Same-day appointments are available, so call now to schedule your free vein screening.